Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through some steps to fix the issue where your Gcash account is registered to another phone number. If you are seeing a message saying that your new number is already linked to a Gcash account, follow these steps to update your number and recover your account. First, open the Gcash app, then enter your new mobile number and tap Next. You'll receive a 6-digit authentication code via SMS. Enter the code into the app and tap Submit. Now choose the Recovery Account option. Identify the type of Gcash account you have and carefully read through the recovery steps. Tap Accept to proceed. Then, complete the required fields with the necessary information. Select Continue. Then, input the information you used for your old account and tap Next. For taking a selfie scan, follow the instructions whether to take a selfie scan for verification. After completing the steps, you'll be directed to a confirmation page that shows your updated Gcash number. Once you've updated your mobile number, you'll be able to recover your Gcash services based on the following timelines. If you find that you're still having issues recovering any of these services after a recovery period, you can initiate a manual transfer. Just click on the service you need below. If you cannot recover your account, here are some possible reasons why and how to troubleshoot them. First, information mismatch. If the information you provided, such as MPIN, personal information, and face scan does not match what is registered in the account, you'll need to try again. Second, general error. If you see an error that says something wrong or something went wrong, please try the recovery process again. Then third, account recovery limit. If you encounter an error stating that the Gcash number you entered cannot be recovered, please enter another number. It means you may have already performed the account recovery before. You can only recover your account once. And fourth, missing information. If you see a screen that says the account I'm trying to recover is missing some information, follow the instructions to transfer funds and services to your new Gcash account. And lastly, if not fully verified. If the account you are trying to recover is not fully verified, please register a new Gcash account using your new number and complete the verification process. Then, follow the instructions to transfer funds or services to your new account. Your G-score is unique to your mobile number and cannot be transferred. Activities associated with your new number will determine your new G-score. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope this video helps you resolve any issues with your Gcash account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.